Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. I want to just chat with y'all and show you a little grocery haul and then what I got for my birthday, because my birthday was May 6th. Thank you for all the happy birthdays. It's been great. I'm just going to turn you around and show you what we got. Honey buns, Mucker, Goober, strawberry and peanut butter, Red Baron, 4-meat pizza, sweet and creamy coffee creamer. The bag of potatoes at Food Lion for the past couple of times has only been $2 for the whole bag. So we got a bag of potatoes, a bag of lettuce, some ham and cheese from the deli, some Sara Lee bread, Cheeto Puffs. This chicken was on sale. They're big chicken thighs, bone in and everything. $1.95 for that one and only $1.64 for this one. Also got some cheese tortellini, and this is going to go with this sweet Italian pork sausage, heavy whipping cream. I got the 4 cheese blend, 2 bags of those. So all of that will kind of get cooked up together with some seasonings, and it tastes really good. And then we did get 2 things of ham. These are good with potato, good with green beans. Paper towels. They have a Cha-Ching brand, which is only 69 cents, and these are $1.59. But the Cha-Ching brand is just horrible. So I did get me a little coffee from the shop right beside the grocery store. It's a caramel macchiato, and it is really good. I told Aaron, I said, actually, this one's better than Starbucks. So, very happy about that. And it's $1.25 cheaper than Starbucks, too. Okay, so birthday. He got me these beautiful flowers here. Vase and all these chocolates, and then these were, don't mind that contraband over there. These were in the bottom of this, and he had all of these flowers on top, and the vase was in that flower bag. How pretty. So a lot of these flowers are like patriotic, and Memorial weekend is, I think Memorial Day is on the 25th. So, I will be, probably in the next video, I'll be decorating some, maybe not all, but I will be decorating with some patriotic themed decor. Also the other day, because my slides were wearing out, we went to a shoe store called Shoe Department. And we got these Adidas shoes, and they're comfortable. And all at the store they had was pink, but I did see online they have different colors. And they are very comfortable, and I like how the back, it kind of like scoops you in the shoe. So you're not slipping out in the front or the back, which is nice. And y'all know I like Barbies. And these, he also got. So they go with these Barbies. So I'm pretty positive they will fit my Barbies. I know the clothes will, but the shoes are bigger on these Barbies, I think. The shoes are huge. And I have 2 Barbies from Mattel that their feet are so big compared to the other Barbies that Barbie shoes never fit them. So that would be really cool if these fit those. But there's this one. It says Dance Night. And then, and this is their Latinistas, and then Festival Day, and I don't think this is Barbie brand or like Mattel. It says Purpose Toys, and that's the founder right there, and they're so pretty. So we got this one. Oh, I didn't even notice it literally shows you everything on the back, her little outfit and everything. So she's got like a spa day. Oh, it says wash day. That makes sense. Okay. I'm sitting here putting food away, and I forgot to show y'all the cake. By the way, he surprised me with all of this morning, besides the shoes. And we went out to eat for Mexican. So I thought all my birthday stuff was over, you know. But no, there was more. And I was so surprised. And his birthday's gonna be on the 9th. So I gotta get him some stuff. And I have ideas. Now I'm just sitting here doing this with y'all. Okay, I'll see you later. Alright, y'all, this is lunch. Lettuce, egg, ranch, this traditionally shredded 4-cheese pizza blend, and pepper, and did I say ranch? Of course, we gotta have the ranch. So delicious. Tastes like lasagna. Yummy, yummy. I want to make this again. So good.